In today's video, I'm going to teach you to create an Affirm account. By the end, you'll have everything set up so you can use Affirm for shopping and payments with confidence. Let's walk through it together step by step, and I'll share helpful tips along the way. Start by getting the Affirm app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or if you prefer a computer, head to the official Affirm website. Make sure you're downloading the legitimate app from the verified developer and that your device has a stable internet connection. Keeping your operating system up to date can also prevent hiccups during sign up. Open the Apple website and look for the option to sign up or create an account. It's usually right on the home screen. If you ever see both sign in and create account, choose the option for new users so you can register from scratch. Next, you'll be asked for some basic personal details. Follow the prompts and type the information exactly as it appears on your official records. This helps Affirm verify your identity smoothly. Use contact details you can access immediately, since you may be asked to confirm them during setup. Double check for typos before moving on. Little errors can delay verification. After entering your information, submit it for a quick pre-qualification check. This is a soft inquiry designed to confirm your eligibility, and it will not affect your credit score. You may see a brief notification from a credit bureau, but it won't change your score or appear as a hard inquiry. If you're approved, Affirm will display a spending limit that's tailored to your eligibility. This amount can vary by person and may change over time based on your usage and repayment history. Remember, a higher limit doesn't mean you should spend more than you're comfortable repaying. Treat it like a tool, not a target. And that's it. Your Affirm account is created and ready to use. From here, you can shop with participating retailers, choose Affirm at checkout, and see available payment plans before you commit. Take a moment to review the terms for each purchase, including interest, fees, if any, and due dates. Turning on reminders or autopay can help you stay on track. If something doesn't look right, pause and contact Affirm support before proceeding. You're all set. With your account active, you can check your spending limit, manage upcoming payments, and track your history right in the app or on the website. Thanks for following along, and use Affirm responsibly to keep your finances healthy.